Your ice panel delivery has been scheduled. Now what are the next steps? So we at Greenstone normally by this stage would know if you were looking for a builder, which we may be able to recommend one that is close to your area that has experience, or if you have a preferred builder or someone in mind, we are happy to provide them with their first virtual training seminar. So our clientele is really spread out across various locations. So we have a lot of inquiries from British Columbia, Whitehorse, Alberta, Ontario, so we're not really close to any of those locations to unfortunately provide that training in person. So to address this, we want to offer a solution. So for each new project, once the panels are shipped, our technical advisor will schedule a virtual training seminar via Teams meeting. So it provides you with that personalized experience. You're able to connect virtually. He provides you with the details custom to your project. So he brings them up on the screen. You guys are able to go through those and address those, and also go through our installation manual. And he's there for clarification or just to provide support throughout the whole installation process. So after the completion of installing the panels, you'll submit photos to us and we'll have our engineer review for accuracy and sign off. And despite the distance, our goal is to make sure that our support feels just as immediate and accessible as if you were closer by.